Saigon Railway Station and the legendary steam locomotive, a glorious echo of the past. Amidst the bustling city, a silent relic still stands tall. Vietnam's first domestically manufactured steam locomotive, proudly displayed in front of Saigon Railway Station, like a timeless sentinel of history. Let us take a moment to revisit a chapter of iron and steam where countless journeys began, of departures heavy with tears and reunions filled with joy. 1 minute for nostalgia, pride, and the unyielding journey of a nation. In the heart of this vibrant city, an old locomotive still stands, quiet yet resolute. It no longer runs, but the echo of its steam-breathing days lingers in the air, whispering tales of a fiery Saigon past. Saigon Station, not just a destination for trains, but a starting point for countless life stories.